Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In digital SAT mathematics, you would need to be required to solve some of the basic algebra math questions as well. This is one of the type of those ones, this is from the topic of basic algebra questions. Let's solve this question together. Y minus 6 is 58. What value of y is the solution to the given equation? To solve these equations, we're going to use inverse operations. What I mean is inverse operations. And the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. So now our goal is to isolate the variable y, and what do they do to y? They subtract 6 from it. So if they subtract 6 from it, look, we will use addition. We will add 6 to both sides of the equation to solve this equation. So this negative 6 and plus 6 cancel each other out. Then y will be, when you add 58 to 6, this you will get 64. So our right answer is 64 for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.